What is going, pimps, players, hustlers, aunties, uncles, mamas, babies, daddy? We into the weekend. I'm looking scruffy. I forgot to go get my done beard trim. I'm going to blame it on the COVID vaccine, whatever I did. Just get the vaccine about a couple hours ago. I ain't going to cap, I ain't going to front. You feel it. Boy, do you feel it? Your body knows something occurred. Just let me tell you, to each his own. I did get my COVID. I got the Moderna one. So we'll see. About 2 more weeks or so, I got to go back for that second one. And I'll keep y'all posted. But other than that, I'm all right. Because I was able to go to the mall and shake it off. You know how when you get stuff and you late, you get shoes and you late, you just got to drop the video. You know what I mean? So if you're new to the channel, hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, and we greatly appreciate it with the shocker. You know what the shocker means? The shocker means hang loose, but not too loose. Right? We're on the road to 7,500. And then hitting 10K. 7,500, we're just going to do a small giveaway. 10K is when we're going to do it real big. We're going to have a shindig. Probably give a couple things away. Maybe just do cash out. Maybe just do some shoes. But the first things first, we got to get that. So go tell a family member, friend of a friend, and we'll get that, and then we'll take it from there. Also, go sign and subscribe to the fam. 313 Retro Queen, MCFLYKOF, and PMKICKZ. Also, hit the subscribe button. Check us out on Who Has the Heat. You should have done it by now. If you haven't done it, I don't know what to tell you, because we're coming back live and direct March 20th. But before that, we're probably going to do call out. So go check us out on Who Has the Heat. On all my videos, I have the link for Who Has the Heat. And as well, check out my featured channels. You already see them up there. Shoes Up, Sleeves Down, Pam Money, Jonah Vlogs, Melanie Sweden, Ashcat, Ashley Reviews, and I think that is it, because everybody else is Team Who Has the Heat. We got little sprinkles. It's been windy. It's about to get blowed away out here, but I guess it's better than snow. No point intended. No shots fired of y'all getting snowed in. So stay safe, stay blessed, and all of that good stuff. We just gonna try to hang in here. Now, I done did enough talking. We're about 2 or 3 minutes into the video, and I haven't showed the shoes. Show the shoes, E-Money. So we shall and we will show the shoes. So, what did I grab? And we got these, bam, right here, a size 10 PP personal pair. I know a lot of you not into lows, but Air Jordan 1 Low Special Edition All-Star Weekend. It's going to go down, whether they want it to go down or not, in the ATL All-Star Weekend. Fisher colorway, black, white. They put another $10 on this. They put $10 to this Special Edition All-Star Weekend shoe. It's supposed to be $90, but hey, it is what it is. I used my $20 coupon plus my military. I got it for like $70, so hey, it is what it is. You got your 4D code and your RF code. Now, let's see what it looks like so. Right here, you got your stamper ramper. You see you got it up there. You got your 23 paper. And let's take a look at this crispy. Look at it. Ooh, doggy. Man. Yes, sir. We Bob. Look at these, look at here, look at here, look here. Double bang. Look at that. Woo. Shine bright like a diamond. Woo. Damn. They came correct on these joints. I'm gonna have to go get a couple more pairs of these, because these joints right here are dope. Yeah, most people like, it's an all black shoe. That is true. But Lowe's get no love, and these are fire. So let's get into it. All black outsole, you already know. Patent leather on the toe. The leather on the toe box, not bad, not bad, not bad. Black laces. You got your 3 right here. Actually, you got the 23, but it's blocked. I don't know, should you change it out to white or just keep it all back in black, right? You got your Jumpman with the swoosh. You got it like so. And let's go this way first. Let's go this way. You see, you got that carbon fiber on the swoosh. Very, very dope. I like that part. There you got your patent leather here, and you see what you got. This one here is right on the check. Right on the check. Come around in that butt. Air Jordan embossed in the butt, and you can see you got some wrinkle stankle back there as well. Spinning it around like so. More of that carbon fiber you see. Woo, boy, this is a fire shoe. I likes it. I'm not just giving it gas. I likes it a lot. And you can see inside the sock liner, it is all black, so you don't have to worry about all of that crap. It's all black inside of here, so you have to worry about wearing black socks inside of white to make the sock bunny, all of that extra stuff like that. And as you can see, 10 to 10 and a half it should have on your shoe tree, and it should have this like so. I don't know if anybody around here are mass producing UAs or replicas in Lowe's, but you never know these days. Now China, they just do anything to make $1, so I ain't mad on them, but I'm just telling everybody, hey, it is what it is. Another same thing over here. Dope. Production date on these joints, 9/16/20 to 11/4/20. I don't know how they know an all-star break. They still gonna have an all-star game because it was still up in the air. But here you have it, the all-star 1 low. And this is fire. Y'all let me know what y'all think is better, the mid or the low. This is a tough one because they did pretty good. I know it's black and white is pretty simple, but I likes it a lot. So on a little meter with these, with the price point, if I had to pay $100 for these, I'm not sure. I ain't gonna hold you. Y'all would have used a coupon or something, but when you take that coupon, make it back to $90, then we are cooking with Crisco. So with that being said, they jacked it up to for $100. I didn't pay that, but I'm still gonna take that into account. I'm gonna give about a 4.65 out of 5. 4.65 out of 5. Again, y'all already know I'm not one, but somehow I end up reviewing a lot of ones, right? So 4.65 out of 5. You let me know what you think. Do you think these are worth the extra $10 price hike, or you just think these shoes are dope, but it's a no look past it? Because these are selling out. I don't know what the resale market is on these, but these are selling out. I know that Champs had them, and this was the last pair of my size PP personal pair. So again, like I said, let me know what you think. We're on the road to 7,500. We're gonna try to get there slowly but surely. So don't forget, like I said, hit the thumbs up, like, subscribe, thumbs down if you want to. You can say you suck, E-Money. Just do something. Much love. Aloha. E-Money Shoes. I'm out. Peace.